What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I'm making a grenade. For YouTube purposes, I'm not gonna say grenade, I'm gonna say vinegar. Actually, I'll just say grenade. No, it's gonna like take me down. But coming. Look, so we put baking soda and then we put like 3 little fingers, like of like a regular glove. You know those mini gloves? These ones. And I put it in glove. It already has some in them with baking soda in there, and then I set the pop on it. And we tie this real quick. Hold on. So we got it all tied up and stuff. We're gonna pop it all. Find just all the packets, pop them. It's gonna start to get big, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second. Does it need? Oh, hold on. Yeah. So I'm popping all. It's growing slowly. Woo! It's out of the finger. It's stuck in the finger. It's not reacting anymore. Okay, so guys, that last experiment did not work. So I'm going to just put Coca-Cola in it and then just shake it. Because you know what happens when you put Coca-Cola in something like that. I'm not going to put a Minto though. We're actually using Diet Coke. So 2 cans. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to pour the Diet Coke in my glove. And then so we can only need 1 can of Diet Coke, but we're gonna shake it. Hold on. So I kind of threw it up and it fell. So yeah, hold on. Down in the planters right there. So see ya, guys.